Well, here we are in the Big Smoke, Toronto, heading down to the C&E, doing a little filming out of the window of the GO train. Oh, local tennis court and ice arena. Oh, there's a big blue factory. There's some old streets and old houses. See a couple big smokestacks off in the distance. Getting down close to the lake again. See some of the factories and old buildings. There's Lever Brothers, one of the older factories in Toronto, a part of it. Oop, train just hit the brakes. Alright, there's the Don Valley Parkway coming up. Lakeshore, a DMV. There's the Don River, scungy, dirty river.
The white swan in it.
Somewhere pollution's got to be washed away. Here's a big train yard coming up. Oh, a whole bunch of tracks. I think we got about 7 lines here. The other side of them big silos is Lake Ontario. You see the shipyards over there. The other side of the towers. Miles and miles and miles of train tracks. Oh, there's a ship off in the distance. You can see her, big freighter. 2 of them. Just look across and under the bridge, and you'll see them right by the lake. Yeah, they're just little baby ships. A couple 100 feet long. One looks pretty rusty. I don't think I'd want to float on that tank. Looks like they're doing a little work on the railway here. Railroad ties and cars full of limestone. Oh, we're going to scoot over the other side now. And we're going to scoot back. No. Yonge and Bay. DMV, Sherbourne and Jarvis Street. There's a couple guys slaving away on a Sunday. Probably smoking a doob. Doobie. Oh, there's a big part of the construction yard there for the trains. Yonge Street, Bay West. York Street. Jarvis and Sherbrooke. Too bad today wasn't a lighter, sort of a dark, gloomy day. Lakeshore, Boulevard West. And we can see all the high-rise apartment buildings off in the distance. Should be coming up around the CN Tower area soon. And this is what it looks like from the GO train in the upper car area, looking out the window. Film picture's a little bouncing around a bit. We don't got a tripod with us. We're freestyle on it today. Yonge and Bay, York Street, Spadina, next exit. And we're coming up on the big high rises. Yeah, some of the big high rises. I'm going to flip over to the other side. Not much to see there now. It's a little short on the draw. Go back to over here. There's always some kind of construction going on in the city. Ooh, there's the main office of the LCBO. Controls all the booze flowing in and out of Ontario. It's an old building. Looks like it could probably be close to 100 years old or so. Young Street North.
Have your attention, please. In moments time, we will be arriving at Town Union Station. Train is operating on
Yeah, you can see some of the buildings down here are very old.
the north side opening first.
On Scott Street Station, probably around 100 years old.
After break.
Oh, we can see the CN Tower off in the distance. Can't get quite a clear shot on her yet.
Leave the train at that time.
See how big some of the buildings are.
Traveling further west of Charlie Union Station, please transfer to the connecting train. Be on platform number 6. Directly to the northwest once we arrive at Charlie Union Station. The train will continue west.
Okay then.
No ownership, making all regular station stops.
Oh, yeah, we're coming up on the
There's no increase.
CN Tower.
St. John and Niagara Falls. And at Aldershot.
There's the CN Tower on the right hand side of the screen here. Used to be the tallest building in the world, but I guess the Arabs built something a little bigger.
They're also reminded to have a good look around themselves to make sure that you tell them all first going to training.
Back on there.
Your customer service ambassador speaking from the accessibility.
Okay, we'll be back with some more footage in a minute.
We'd like to